I thought I'd start off this video by showing the plane that I owned for 7 years. It's a 47 Air Coupe 2833 Hotel, and that's me at the Harrisburg Airport. Today we're going to take a ride out to see a Ford Trimotor that's giving rides in Essex County Airport. Now, the last couple of days have been really busy. I've been retrofitting mirrors. I got a bunch more in the mail. I got 2 more sets to paint, and I got this great little palm sander for when I start grinding up the wheels on this 650 project, and I'm getting more and more excited every day about getting that started. And Karen has even said she thinks I'm spending too much time sketching out pictures. She said, why don't you just go take the damn bike apart and start working on it? But I got 2 more rides on that back tire, and then I got to put a tire on it anyway. And the tires are sitting right over there. We're ready to be installed, but there's no point installing them if I'm going to paint the wheels, so I'm trying to play both ends against the middle here. Now, I was hoping today would be a bright sunny day to take some nice pictures of the Ford Trimotor. Maybe get some bike pictures, who knows what. You never know, every day's an adventure here. And I love it that way. I never want to have 2 days of my life the same. Today looks like it'll be one of those days that's a lot different. And we finally, after a lot of experimenting, I think we finally got the mirrors on here that are going to be on the bike when we pull it apart for the restoration. And I wanted to get as many details. You can tell this thing needs it's going to need a tire. I keep saying it's got one more ride on it, but yeah, it's got one more. That's the mistake of your life. It's always got one more ride. Anyway, we're just going to go cruising up to Essex County Airport, try to see this Ford Trimotor. I don't think these fish are that interested in the Ford Trimotor, to be honest. So after an extra cup of coffee, you can see in the background there, pretty much the leaves in the back by Gil's house there, they're all changing yellow. Wow, it's a beautiful time to go for a ride. So here we are, we're here nice and early, and there's the Ford Trimotor right there. Pretty cool. This is the first all-metal airplane. My mother rode in these out in Long Island. Oh my God. And maybe some people don't know, my father was a Navy pilot and owned his own plane, owned several in fact. And we have a real interest in old aviation, old motorcycles, old houses, and old cars. So what I did, I got permission from the owners to walk up here. They don't have enough people to have a ride yet. They need 7 people to take a ride, and they're waiting for a couple more paying customers, but I thought I'd do a little walk around. It's an all aluminum aircraft. It is probably, I think it is the first all aluminum aircraft, and it has been restored. This was damaged in a windstorm, and it has been restored. Of course, the engines are, they're not the most modern, but nice exhaust system. That exhaust system will look good on a 2-stroke. Wow. Never want to get too close to the propeller. That is priceless. Absolutely priceless. So for all my friends who obviously enjoy motorcycling, Motorcycle and aviation has so much in common. Maybe John can Photoshop in the motorcycle here. Very, very cool, but I don't think they're going to let me bring the motorcycle out here to take pictures. That's why I got here real early, but I was hoping Turbo Steve would show up here, but
someone asked me a couple of phone calls.
now, Chris, I know if you were around, you'd be already sitting in that front seat.
I didn't realize it was that cool out here. And first of all, I had no idea I was coming here. I was having breakfast and I saw it in the paper. I got some gas and I said, I'll take a run out here. And I made the decision on the way.
Let me see that phone. Look at my phone. Hey. Now see, this is a modern man with an old man with a modern phone. I'm an old man with an old phone. So flip into Windy Videos. We got the Trimotor is going to be on Windy Videos next week. And one final thing, the guy I was talking to, this is his bike. I put it on the video for him, since he's going to be a constant watcher of Windy Videos from now on. That's cool. The feathers down there, that's cool. Anyway, motorcycling and aviation seem to go hand in hand. So this worked out to be a great thing, and the weather has cleared up, and we're going to go for a little ride. And I may come back later this afternoon, I don't know. I'll come back this way. But they're waiting. They don't have enough passengers to take off. They need 7. So, but given the weather, I hope they're going to get them. And I hope I'm going to get some pictures later today or tomorrow of them taking off and landing and whatever. Been a lot of fun, brought back a lot of good memories. Hope you enjoyed seeing this little adventure, and now we're going for a ride. But rather than hanging out here, we're gonna go get a nice ride. You know, we're only about 20 miles away from some really nice twisty roads, and today looks like it'll be a good one. got here just 5 seconds too late to actually see the landing. Look at it. Wow. Hey, very impressive to see in real life. Well, we got to see the Trimotor. We missed the landing. We just got them coming in. We had a great ride in between waiting for them to take off and waiting for them to land. And these are definitely the best mirror setups we've had so far. But I'm sure it's not the end of the picture. Anyway, the garden is still in a little bit of bloom, coming to the end of the season. The day cleared up. Actually, the sun came out. It was a wonderful day to be a Ford Trimotor. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching.